What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with Nia Auto Design, and today we're going to be installing the new Nia Sleek splitters on this Dodge Charger Scat Pack. With the purchase of the Nia splitter, you're going to receive some factory replacement bolts, some support screws, and 2 rods with washers. For this installation, you're going to need a 7mm socket, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, an 8mm wrench, and we recommend an angle driver for an easy installation. So a few details about the Nia Sleek splitters. 1 is made out of ABS plastic, so it's nice and durable. 2, we have it available with the wings on the side, or you can do it just flush with no winglets on the corners. 3 is that we already have the pre-drilled holes for you. In this case, these are your factory points where you take off the factory screw and then mount it to your factory locations. And lastly, you can get a wrinkled finish or a smooth finish, your choice. All right guys, first things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of your bumper. That way we can get rid of any rocks or anything that you might have stuck underneath. Just get a rag and wipe it down. All right guys, when installing the Nia splitter, always think safety first. If you're going to jack up your car, use jack stands for safety. In this case, the car is equipped with air ride suspension, and we're using an angle driver to creep up underneath. All right guys, so now with your 7mm socket, we're going to start removing some bolts. First, you want to remove the ones that go in for your front rods, and you have 2 factory center ones. Remove those. So let's get started. All right, so after you remove the 2 top bolts, you're gonna find 8 more on the bottom, and we're gonna use those slots to install the Sleek splitter. Let's get started. All right, with the 7mm socket, just grab the bolt and just take it off. All right, so now you want to bring a friend or family member to help you install the splitter. And this is when you get the 8 bolts that we provided to you and replace with the factory ones that you just removed. All right, let's get started. All right guys, once all the bolts are nice and tight, this is when you come around with the support screws and you self-tap into the bumper. Let's get started. All right, so you just get the support screws, align it through the pre-drilled holes, and just tap it halfway with the drill. All right, now all the screws are in halfway with the drill. This is when you get with the stubby Phillips screwdriver and you hand tighten every single one of them. By hand tightening them, you prevent over tightening them and stripping the plastic bumper. Let's get started. All right guys, so first we start with the end with the screw in, and this is when you get the Phillips screwdriver and just remove this little case out of it. There's a pressure washer and there's a nut. Take that off. And this is what you're gonna need. All right guys, now that you have the bracket, what you do is just screw it into the factory position that you had before. Just like that. Nice. All right, now that the 2 top brackets are in place, get the other side, and this just remove the nut with the washer, and then just guide it into the pre-drilled hole on your splitter. Once it's in there, then put the washer in first, then the nut, and then just leave it on loosely so you can guide it into your bracket. And this is when you're gonna need to either extend this a little bit by just twisting it, and then you have it to your adjusted height. All right guys, once you extended the bar to fit the bracket, that's when you put the screw back on with the washer and the nut. And then just tighten it all up with the Phillips screwdriver. Just like so. All right guys, now time to tighten up the rod. And this is when you get the 8mm wrench and just bring the nut all the way down. Once it's in, just grab it and tighten it up. Once it's nice and tight, that's it. All right, same 8mm wrench, just now time to tighten the underneath the splitter. And just like so. Nice. Once it's all tight, should be good. All right guys, once all the screws and bolts are tight, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Dodge Charger, Scat Pack, Hellcat, GT, RT. Just check out our website. Thanks again guys.